She's got eyes so sharp, she can pick out prey from a mile away. With her wings tucked in, she dives at up to 240 miles per hour. A kill in midair. But she is torn between feeding hungry mouths and guarding the nest. 5 times her body weight, the brown pelicans ignore her warnings. A dangerous mistake. A yank on the face, and she throws the hapless pelican off balance. One down. But while she's going after the pelicans, a real threat is making its way toward the nest. A 5-foot-long gopher snake. And they can easily kill an unprotected falcon chick. But nothing escapes her eye. A single strike with her claws is all it takes.